Begin by going out into your backyard. If you can't find a nice spot in your backyard or you don't have a backyard, that's okay. We can still go there in our mind. Find a spot on a towel if you're in your backyard. I wouldn't drag my yoga mat out here and get it dirty. And begin to find an easy seated position. Now, if this bothers you to have your knees so bent, go ahead and straighten your knees out. It really doesn't matter as long as you're comfortable. Begin to bring your awareness into the present. So go ahead and close your eyes and begin to hear the sounds around you, maybe for the first time. Begin to breathe deeply into your belly. And notice if it was the first time today that you breathe that deep. Let your shoulders go away from your ears. And just breathe and listen. Listen to the far off sounds and listen to the close sounds. And begin to think about backyards. Right now, as I record this, we're in the middle of the coronavirus. Coronavirus has put many of us at home and in our backyards. Begin to think about backyards around America and around the world. Everyone's backyard is just a little bit different. Some have chickens, some have dogs. Some are small, some are large. Begin to think about your own backyard. Think about the things that you like. If there are things that you don't like, let's not think about those right now. The time will come for home improvement, but it's not right now. Focus in on what's good surrounding you, even if it's just one small thing. And begin to think of your backyard now compared to the backyard that you grew up with. And if these thoughts shift you into a negative place, go ahead and come back to the positive. Just observe. Observe the good. Observe the bad with a childlike curiosity and begin to breathe. Begin to move with the breath. You can open your eyes if you want or just listen. Begin to drop your chin down to your chest. And then lift your head up. Go ahead and open your eyes and take in the sky. Looking at the various clouds of the color blue. Coming down again. Go ahead and lifting up. Just finding that movement, the areas of stiffness that have gathered. Come back to center and take your head side to side. Each time going a little further, opening your eyes to observe what's around you. And look at the video screen. See if there's any chickens walking around. From here, take your head back to center and begin to roll the head around. Gentle circles with the nose. With the breath, take it the other way. Deep inhale up and around and drop it down. And then begin to take those shoulders and bring them up to the ears and drop them down the back. Up and around. And again, observing the areas of stiffness without judgment. And taking it the other way. Keying in to what's going on in your body for the moment. we spend a lot of time just judging our bodies and not really observing our bodies. They're two very, very different things. From here, we'll inhale the left arm up to the sky, reach through the fingertips, and then tilt over. And as you do this, go ahead and look up to that top hand. Open the top hand, dialing that pinky finger down toward the forehead. And then from here, stay here and then drop that left hand down toward the ground and reach your fingertips down toward the ground. Find that deep stretch in that lower back. We'll inhale our way back up with the arm. Take an exhale and inhale as you stack everything back up. Inhale, right arm comes up, same thing, other way. Tilt over, find that deep stretch along that oblique. Let that elbow go. Dial pinky toward the face. And begin to notice a shift starting to take place in your mind, in your body. From here, take this right hand down toward the ground. It doesn't take very much movement to change everything. Inhale the arm back up. Take a breath out, exhale. Inhale, lift up to the top, take both arms. And exhale and take a forward fold over the legs. Let those hands come wide to the side. And then when you're ready, go ahead and walk the hands forward. And then walk the hands up. Observe what's on the ground in front of you as you walk up. From here, we're going to take ourselves and bring ourselves onto our hands and knees. You can just come straight forward or you can come around. I'm going to flip over sideways. Coming onto those hands and knees and feel the difference in the earth. If you are in your backyard, maybe there's variations on the ground underneath you. For me, it's a little bumpy. I can feel the grass underneath the towel, underneath my fingers. I have the grass underneath my feet in the back. Just begin to observe. From here, I just want you to shift forward and back. Find a little stretch in the wrists as you shift. Just taking it back. Show away a fly if it comes along. Observe if there's ants and bugs crawling on the ground. Again, without judgment. Right? From here, go ahead and tuck your toes under. Send your hips up to the sky with an exhale. Inhale and exhale around the spine and send the hips back. Let me chicken crap. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands afterwards. From here, taking one heel goes down and the other heel goes up. Walk this out. Farm life, I tell you. We'll walk it out. Find that organic movement. Hi, puppy dog. And from here, go ahead and bend the knees. Find your way slowly back down and send your hips back just in time to find child's pose. And the good thing about practicing yoga with animals is that it brings you into the moment. You're not thinking about all the other stuff that you have to do for the rest of the day or anything that you're irritated about that already happened. You're thinking about the animals. And just right here in the moment. From here, go ahead and come up to your hands and knees. Shift those hips side to side. Find a little movement in those hips. And then go ahead and drop the belly once you come back center. Find an inhale and exhale. Go ahead and round up the spine. Inhale, drop the belly. And exhale, round up the spine. Come back to neutral and take the chest over to the right. Round through and take it over to the left. Coming back and forth. Just finding that movement. From here, come back to neutral. Tuck the toes under. Take a deep exhale, round your spine, find your way up to downward dog again. Shake the head no. I was shaking it no because there was a fly on my nose. There's one on my arm. There we go. Towels aren't so great. They're a little slippy, but we got this. Nod the head up and down. And from here, take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. And walk your feet to your hands. And you're going to walk all the way to that standing forward fold. Just finding that fold. And again, taking ragdoll. So one hand goes to each elbow, nod the head up and down. And side to side. Really feel that vertebrae separate. Baby chicken. They're so small they fit right through the fence and they get out. And from here we're going to take this down to a little squat. You're going to have your heels lifted, or you can have your heels on the ground. You can walk your feet a little bit further apart, and that might be able to get your heels down a little bit more. Or yogi squat, sitting up nice and tall, pressing down through the ground with your glutes and lifting up. And then we'll sink our way back and come to a staff position. So reaching those legs out in front of us. Pressing down through the heels, lift the arms up to the sky. Inhale and exhale, take a forward fold. Let's do yoga in the backyard, she said. What could go wrong? Let your head go. And walk the hands up slowly. Roll up one vertebrae at a time. I'm going to take those legs wide. Find a nice straddle here. So open them up. Reach the arms up with an inhale. Exhale, you're going to turn your body to face your leg and lean forward. And then when you can, you drop your hands or maybe grab onto the foot. Oh my gosh, how many animals do I have? Holy cow. Inhale up to the top. And exhale, turn belly button goes towards the toe. Inhale your way back up to the top. And exhale to the forward fold. So first we'll take the body forward. And then I had no idea my dog wanted to be a star. And from here, walk it forward. Let the head go. Big stretch here. And then begin to roll your way up to the top. From here, come back to your easy seated position. Just fold your legs in. Bring hands to heart center. Find your heartbeat. Take a moment to look around one more time. Observe what you're actually seeing. The bugs dancing in front of you, the light, the shadows. There's so much more to see than we actually notice on a daily basis. Our mind tunes out a lot of stuff. And then go ahead and close your eyes. And notice a shift. Notice a shift in your body. It's like that easy. It's almost as easy as snapping your fingers to go from maybe a little stressed and anxious to calm. That calm is available at any time. It just takes a little movement, a little breath, a little observation. Take one more deep breath in the nose. Open the mouth, let it go. The best of what's in me honors the best, the light that's in you.